log in and go to bing.com/create. The link will be in the description, of course. Let's start by creating an image of a majestic eagle soaring around a mountain. All right, I'll click Create to generate my image. It might take a moment, depending on the queue. That was quick, very good. And we got our images for free. Now, let's try to recreate the images I made with ChatGPT in the previous Dalle 3 video. So I go to ChatGPT and find the images I made last time. I click on one and prompt it. I copy this prompt, come back here and paste it. And I create. On the right, you'll see the images you've created. There we go, we have similar images. It's not exactly the same, but it's close. Very good. Now you know how to use Dalle 3 for free with Microsoft Bing. You'll notice these are boost tokens. If you reach 0, creating your image might take longer. Simply put, I had 25 tries in total. Check out the first Dalle 3 video to learn how to use it properly.
You don't have beard, you want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website complicated.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.